Hi, my name is Anthony, and today I'm going to be talking about the periodic table of elements. Now, the periodic table of elements has 118 elements in it. That's not all. Each element has a specific number of electrons and protons, and this is due to the atomic number that is on each element. Each element is also divided into 11 categories, and these categories are the alkaline metals, the alkaline earth metals, the transition metals, the post-transition metals, the metalloids, polyatomic nonmetals, the diatomic nonmetals, the noble gases, the lanthanides, the actinides, and the unknown properties. So let's get into the 11 categories. The alkaline metals are the first category, and there are 6 elements in the alkaline metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Those 6 elements form the alkaline metals, and they are on the first row of the periodic table. Next are the alkaline earth metals. These elements are found in the earth, and sometimes are found in our food. And the elements in this category are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Now, calcium and magnesium, potassium and sodium are found in our foods sometimes. They can also be found in certain medicines. Calcium can be found in milk. Potassium can be found in bananas and other foods. Sodium as well. And magnesium can be found in medicines. Next are the transition metals. These metals require a charge to form a compound. For example, iron. You have to specify the charge when you're working with the compound equation. For example, iron 2 oxide, which means that you'd have to put a 2 in Roman numerals and then an O. Now keep in mind that oxygen is in the 6th row of the periodic table. But I'm getting off track, so let's get back on track with the transition metals. The transition metals in this category are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, copper, nickel, zinc, irium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, rutherfordium, dumnium, seaborgium, borium, hafnium, and copernicium. All of these elements require a charge to form a compound first. So be sure to make sure you specify the charge before forming a compound with the transition metal. Next are the post-transition metals. These elements also require a charge. Some of these elements require a charge to form a compound as well. And the elements in this category are aluminum, gallium, indium, tin, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, and flerovium. All of these elements form the post-transition metals category. There are 9 of them, and some of these elements also need a charge to form a compound. For example, tin and lead. Next are the metalloids. The metalloids category consists of 7 elements: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, and astatine. Now, astatine is one of the most rarest elements of all. Not only that, but it is extremely toxic. Scientists believe that astatine can be found at the crust of the Earth. So, my suggestion is do not touch it, because it is highly toxic. Next are the polyatomic metals. Now, the polyatomic metals, polyatomic nonmetals, are elements that do not consist of metals. And, like the name suggests, polyatomic means 1 atom. And the 7 elements in this category are polyatomic nonmetals: hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur and selenium. Those 7 elements make up the polyatomic nonmetals. Next are the diatomic nonmetals. The diatomic nonmetals consist of 2 or more atoms. And the only 4 elements in this category are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Those are the only 4 elements that are known to be part of the diatomic nonmetals category. Next are the noble gases, which are extremely flammable. The noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Those are the only 6 elements that are called noble gases. Next are the lanthanides. Now, the lanthanides are a part of a series called the Lanthanides Series. And there are 15 elements that are part of this series. The elements that are part of this series are lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, tholium, iberium, and lutetium. These 15 elements make up the Lanthanides category, as well as the Lanthanides series. Next is the Actinides category. And like the Lanthanides series category, these elements also make up a series called the Actinide Series. And there are 15 elements in this series as well. And the elements in this series are actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, cerium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, and lawrencium. Some of these elements were found by scientists. For example, einsteinium was named after Albert Einstein, and mendelevium was named after this great scientist Mendeleev. Next are the final elements, which make up the unknown properties section. And the elements in this series, scientists do not know what they are made of. And the elements in this series are meninerium, darmstadtium, bromogenium, neonium, scavium, livermorium, tennessine, and oganesson. And that is every element. Well,